She is an office manager at a company in central Tokyo. She has taken the same train to work for years. She knows which carriage to board, which door to stand beside, and exactly how long the walk is from the exit to her office. The morning commute is not something she thinks about anymore. It just happens. Get on, find a spot, arrive, get off. Smooth and automatic. But every April, the rhythm breaks. The new suits arrive, dozens of them, fresh from the university, starting their first week at their first real job. And for many of them, riding a packed Tokyo train for the first time. They are immaculate, they are earnest, and they are completely, thoroughly lost. The train pulls into her station. The doors slide open. The morning crowd begins its practice, wordless shuffle toward the exits. She knows this part by heart. Then a young man steps off the train and stops. Not step aside or slow down, just stops completely, right in the middle of the platform. He looks left, he looks right, he checks his phone, then looks left again. Around him, the crowd divides like water around a stone. She goes around him without breaking stride. He's probably from the countryside, she thinks. Tokyo stations are confusing, even when you know them. When you don't, they're another world. Upstairs, the same scene repeats. New suits at every turn, pausing at maps, clustering near the ticket gates, stopping just past the escalator where nobody should stop. She weaves through them with quiet efficiency, but this morning it takes a little longer than usual. She is not really annoyed. She knows this. It just takes a moment to remember. 2 weeks from now, they will know the trains. They will know the exits. They will know where not to stop. She was one of them once, a long time ago. She probably stopped in exactly the wrong place, too. She doesn't remember where, but she is sure she did. It passes. It always passes. By Golden Week, the station will be back to normal. She walks a little faster. She is almost smiling. Then she remembers the school year starts next week. The platforms will be full of students with brand new backpacks who have never taken this train before either. She sighs. Every April.